welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So to do that, we should open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here you will see the ring and notification volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone, we should swipe the S dot to the right side with your finger by this way. Also have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone and then click here on the three dots. And just to unmute also your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot by the same way to the right side and then just click here to done to save all the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.